Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox a lot of awesome M2s and Tomicas and some Hot Wheels as well. So I did show a couple of Hot Wheels last time, but I didn't unbox those. So let's start with those this time. So here is the first one, the Mad Max Drift Attack. So this one is the Mitsubishi Pajero, and this one is the STH in this particular box. But so far I unboxed like more than 5 boxes, but no, like I didn't find any STH. And this one is the Mod Rod, which I personally liked, so I bought it. And this one I'm not sure how many actually bought. So this one is a drift pack and the 5 pack. So here we are having, let me just show you in this way, the Ford Mustang GT, Camaro ZL1, custom Ford Mustang GT, and last but not least, that's the Nissan Silvia, which you can see in the pictures, which looked really awesome. So I bought it just for this salon. I bought it. The liveries are same for this one and the on this for this Mustang also, but so all 5 looks really nice. So I personally don't like including a fantasy in among the actual cars, which is really a shitty thing to do. I know Mattel really wants to push their shitty cars, so they're doing that. Okay, let's move this a little bit and let me show you rest of the cool stuffs which I got this week. So here is the M2 Plymouth Cuda 440. So this color scheme looks so beautiful, and this one looked really awesome, so I bought this one. So, and next one would be the Dodge Charger Gasser. So I actually don't own a Gasser in apart from Hot Wheels. So this is the first Gasser in a good brand, if you ask me. So we are going to unbox this as well, and there are 2 more M2s which I have, which I personally loved when I bought it. So this is the Plymouth Barracuda Hemi Superstock. I personally loved the livery of this one, so I bought it. And this one is a Roadrunner Hemi. So I don't know how many of you guys remember. So I may not be from US, but I do know a little bit about this particular car. So this one is the Roadrunner, the cartoon which we used to see, Roadrunner. So this one actually had the horns like the Roadrunners beep, like beep beep like that. So I saw this in I think Counting Cars, I guess, back in the days. I don't remember it now. So I bought it just because of that. And let's go with the Tomicas now. So I bought this Honda Civic Type R. I do own a Civic Type R with which was done by Majorat, which was really nice. So I did buy a Tomica one because this was the only casting I didn't own at that time, and this got launched, and a lot of subscribers started asking me that to unbox this particular one. So I bought it. And here's the second one, Ferrari F355. This is the premium version. So this I bought from Facebook for I think around 700 or 800 rupees. I don't remember now. And few more also I bought. So here is the LaFerrari. I'm not a fan of Ferrari, but for some reason I do love this LaFerrari one, so I bought it. This one is not a premium one. And here is the Mitsubishi Lancer final edition. This is the Evolution, and so this one I bought for around 1000 rupees. So this is a premium one. And my personal favorite, the Lamborghini Murcielago. This one is also the premium, so I bought it for somewhere around 800 or so. And last but not least, here it is, the Skyline GTR from Fast and Furious movie series. So I was looking for this for a very long time, but finally I was able to get one. And we are going to unbox all this stuff this week. So stay tuned, guys, and like my video and subscribe. That's all I got to say. Just support your guy here. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.